I say, whisper, you can put on a piece of dance for carrying in the room.
So hold on. Why you tell me everything was going in detail? Because it sounds like that.
Oh my God, let me tell you exactly what happened. But then at the suit, you know, ready, well prepared, me like looking at the mirror, pose up and then something, me I get in it, whisper, pretend some majors over this. So. But me use right as pretend some majors over this. So. This are the chair you know, in my room, you know. What's up? Turn on. I'm carrying that there at the door.
So, I wait tell him, say.
I tell him say it was a surprise. Remember, say Carrie never yet seen another soup there, you know. So I have to tell him say the whole of this is a surprise. I'm never dance for you. And who would tell me if I go say that?
Say, I have to go right now.
Jesus Christ, whisper. The chuck off for Carrie making at the bed. That I show you say I'm ready. I want to go. Me turn in the room, you know. The man I throw money for me, put money in all nice stacking. Me feel like take the bed from a pole, do some whining to my waistline. Whisper. Jeez.
Graveyard shift, will you take one for the team?
Could you take one for your team? Remember, say me did the bang. Ready?
Oh, ready. Jano. But Salt Lake Hillshire Beach.
Salt Lake which Hillshire Beach? You know how much Karen get for your birthday? He could never need no more.
So what you say? You back done?
I find you want to find was something, you know. But I thought it was something different. And Bubbles not getting a date on the apps.
No. Now wait for now to link up. I'm not going to know what happens.
I feel nervous, but not a bad nervous. I just want to prove myself. I'll pull out of my ear for show you. Because I want to try on the week. I want everything look ready to take down majors.
I feel like you're ready and I feel like I can do it. But you say pull out of here. Show me that now.
Whisper, you never see my ear keying yet before? You make it look like you never see my natural ear.
No, I never see it keying yet. I remember about that. I always see it up here so catch up and you look like Minnie.
Minnie? Like Minnie Mouse?
Yeah. See a pink van.
But when my ear up here say always in a one, not in a two.
Well, you have a fine, but I still want to see it. What? Cornrows. Alright, you are one way, see. That one, yeah, that can, yeah, you can boil it, see? We know, you can boil it halfway, and that one, yeah, you can fully boil it. Them two, you know, you can roast them. That one, you black roast, and that one, you partially roast, see? I'm going to carry them in a crab circle and make them finish the rest.
Crab circle?
But, them I go want my back. I remember say such person are dead, so you can't go to a spot, man, and just, yeah.
Whisper. When Bubbles say majors are going to want to do certain things to you, what she really mean by that?
Yeah, ask that question. Let me ask you something. You sure say you're ready for this? Cause I'm gonna ask you to do things. I'm gonna ask you to give him blowjob and all of them things there. And you have to look convincing enough. Because we can't make no mistake at all.
So if him take it out, but when you try say, me have to do it?
No. That's why bossy say you have to put the cap in your mouth. When you go, you have to make it look like you're gonna start slow. Because if you go straight in it, you have to go do it. So you have to start from your neck, and that's where you're gonna give him a bite. And that will release everything in our system.
So what gonna happen when it go in our system? Like if I bite him, it will knock him out at the same time?
No, bossy said within 30 seconds. You have 30 seconds to kiss him neck. So it's up to you, or do whatever you want to do for the 30 seconds.